Hello everyone, this is Bing Naranjo from Bingodesigns. I hope you're all enjoying your day. Today we'll be reviewing and unboxing the K500 Machenike mechanical keyboard. First of all, the design of the box is completely okay, but the actual packaging look like it was thrown away. We understand that this is a budget mechanical keyboard, but we don't want you to disregard the packing for fear that it would damage the product. I'm not sure who is to blame, perhaps the courier. Therefore, Machenike, would you kindly take action? Now let's see what's inside the box. Detachable L design type C cable, which I personally like. Two spare brown switches. By the way guys, brown tactile switches are basically a compromise between the red and the blue switches. Keycap puller and cat switch. The user manual. Now let's look at the physical construction. This keyboard build is constructed of sturdy plastic material. And my initial reaction is it doesn't look cheap, rather it looks quality. Additionally, it has a sandpaper-like roughness on the side. Now I understand why the cable has an L design, because the connector is on the left side. Both the front and back sides feature the Machenike logo. The bottom has wave-like pattern, 4 rubber feet, and 2 keyboard risers to keep the keyboard in place. Machenike K500 is 90% layout and hot swappable and anti-ghosting. This keyboard contains 94 keys. It features PBT keycaps, which is a great option for gaming setups because PBT keycaps are made from high-quality plastic materials and not prone to fading. This keyboard's RGB light supports 20 kinds of lighting animation, which is incredible for a mechanical keyboard in this price range. If you wish to adjust the brightness, you can do it by pressing FN plus up and down arrow keys. Not only that, you can also adjust the speed by pressing FN plus left and right arrow keys. Now, if you want to test out a few light modes, just press FN plus right alt. And also you can download the driver if you want to customize the lighting animation. Machenike drivers allow you to save up to 3 on custom color profile. I downloaded the Genshin Impact and playing it for the first time, just to test out the keyboard. So far my conclusions are very responsive. Last but not least, I think the Machenike K500 mechanical keyboard is excellent. Its layout is very compact and very practical, and one of the reasons I like is because despite its small size, it still has an numpad feature, making it a good choice if you are searching for a cheap mechanical keyboard. So guys, that's all for today. One thing to consider if you like this kind of content and you want to support me as a creator, please hit that like button and subscribe. Until then, bye bye, God bless, and take care everyone.